Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy. And here scroll to find installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from a specific browser, maybe not browser but from a specific website, instead from the Google Play Store. So all we have to do is to find our app in this list. So in my case, it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on allowed, and now you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this app, tap on this switcher, and it will be turned off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.